In this video, let me show you how to use the Robinhood Prediction Markets. So if you're trying to trade within the prediction markets, which is basically the futures or the trade binary option, you need to first of all apply to it. So within the Robinhood platform or within the Robinhood app, you need to head over to your profile icon. And once you scroll down within settings, you'll come across a section which says futures and events contracts. So you need to answer a few questionnaires in order to complete this step. So once you complete this step and successfully applied for this particular trading account, you just need to head over to the prediction markets or the prediction hub that you'll be able to see within your account, and you can see tons of categories that you can trade on. For example, sports, you can head over to all of these sports that are currently visible. You can just head over to a particular sport that you're trying to bet on, and then you'll be able to tap on the view event. Then you'll be able to select and bet on an outcome. Each contract prices will range from 1 cent to 99 cents, and the correct prediction will automatically resolve to exactly $1. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow in order to use the Robinhood Prediction Markets. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.